轉工，轉工 ，change a job。而家份工人工好低，我想轉工啦。而家份工人工好低，我想轉工啦。My current job salary is low. I want to change another job. 冚唪唥，冚唪唥。今朝考嘅我冚唪唥都唔識，今次實肥佬啦。今朝考嘅我冚唪唥都唔識，今次實肥佬啦。今朝考嘅我冚唪唥都唔識，今次實肥佬啦。I don't know the answers of the whole exam of this morning. I must screw up this time. 打尖，打尖 ，cut in line。後面排隊啦，大佬，唔好打尖啦，個個都趕時間㗎啦。後面排隊啦，大佬，唔好打尖啦，個個都趕時間㗎啦。後面排隊啦，大佬，唔好打尖啦，個個都趕時間㗎啦。包喺我身上，包喺我身上 ，I will deal with it。你想學好廣東話？包喺我身上啦。你想學好廣東話？包喺我身上啦。攝時間，攝時間 ，kill the time。想約我就早少少，唔好俾人放飛機，就搵我嚟攝時間。想約我就早少少，唔好俾人放飛機，就搵我嚟攝時間。If you want to ask me out, please be early. Don't ask me out to kill your time after someone stood you up. 探，探 visit。我每個月都會返順德探屋企人。我每個月都會返順德探屋企人。冷衫，冷衫 woolen sweater。呢兩日凍咗，我都開始着冷衫咯。呢兩日凍咗，我都開始着冷衫咯。It's getting cold these days, and I started to wear sweaters. 感冒，感冒 catch a cold。一換季就好易感冒，一換季就好易感冒。It's easy to catch a cold as soon as the new season comes. 執嘢，執嘢 tidy up。執乾淨啲啦，一陣有人上嚟。執乾淨啲啦，一陣有人上嚟。Tidy up, someone will come here later. 費事，費事 not bother。而家嗌外賣咁方便，我都費事自己煮啦。而家嗌外賣咁方便，我都費事自己煮啦。Now it's so convenient to order takeout. I don't even bother to cook by myself. 蒲，蒲 hand out。日日都蒲到3更半夜先返，乜第日唔使做啊？日日都蒲到3更半夜先返，乜第日唔使做啊？ You always hang out and don't return home until after midnight. Don't you need to work the other day?